Breaking news on a story we've been watching very carefully on Hostess. Kayla Tausche's got that for us. What's going on? What's the latest?
Well, Bill, the latest is that the U.S. bankruptcy judge, she tried to say, said that the parties have agreed to a mediation in the prevention of shutting down Hostess. That mediation will be likely monitored by this same judge tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. And this is an attempt to avoid a shutdown, even though in today's hearing, the Hostess brand's lawyer said it would be, quote, very hard to recover from this damage, even if there were to be an agreement in the near term. Still unclear what this actually means for Hostess's ability to operate as a going concern, but it still is a positive move, and we'll stay tuned to what actually happens tomorrow, Bill.
Get this clear, Kayla. He's put off the table for now Chapter 7 or Chapter 11. Is that my understanding, the way you're talking about this? And he's still going to try to get them to do a deal, even though the Bakers have rejected?
That's correct, Michelle. This is an alternative to a liquidation, at least for today. He's giving them tomorrow, basically, to say if you can agree on some terms in private, the lawyers and obviously their brain trust will be in a room trying to hammer out a deal. And if they can't, then obviously more options then would be on the table. But at least for the next 24 hours, it looks like liquidation is off the table, but just for this very short term. Of course, there's also the question of whether there is a buyer waiting in the wings. Some buyers, like Flowers Foods, have said we will not buy a company that has unionized employees. So certain buyers would come out of the wings depending on what happens, but there's still a lot to be done here.
See, even the judge wants to save Twinkies.
I'm telling you, everybody's a fan there, you know.
Well, everyone wants to save 19,000 jobs, guys. I think no one can argue with that, regardless of how you like the Twinkies.
Get the toothpicks out for the eyes so nobody blinks. Very good. Thank you very much, Kayla.